All right, today Brad and I are going for some panfish. The end. Oh, there's one. There's one. Come get it. Come get it. Come get it. Oh, that's a nice crappie. First fish. Just a freaking tank. Just a massive.
Do they ever get bigger than that here?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
A little bit.
Yeah, because if they get about double than that, we could eat it.
Crappie. Yep, and you're about to get your first bluegill knife. Wow, that is a dink. His eyes are so huge for his body. Got him. This thing has surprisingly good action for the tiniest jig ever. This is like a jaw jacker jig that comes with it.
Dang, you did get some of my worm. That's mine.
Coming in hot.
That's the one I had.
Oh, come on. Got him. What
I
a...
can't even feel them when they're hidden.
No, I can't feel them either. I can only look. If I see it move, I'm too late. What a trophy. Yep, here he comes. He's gonna bite. Got him. Nice. That's the biggest fish of the day right there.
That's a tank.
Oh.
I gotta buy it. But...
I mean, if I keep one, it's probably this fish. But
yeah,
that's like no meat. Yeah, I kept a few last year and it was like, why did we
dude,
do
they
that?
won't. I can't get them.
Oh, I tore his lip up.
Put them back.
Should I keep him?
No. Little thing. I don't even think it's legal to keep them that small.
Got him. They're pretty. Very small though. Oh. Got him. Oh, tank.
Yeah, see all these fish I'm trying to catch, they're real big. Yeah, that's why you catching so many more. Cause
God, you have a bass?
Largemouth.
Oh! Dude!
My first largemouth through the ice.
Oh, Brad.
It's a tank.
Come on, dude. I'd take that over 6 bluegill.
Yeah. Told you it was the ride.
Come on, brother. You did it. Yes, sir. Smile for the camera, Brad. Let me see what you got. The light. You look so angry. Nice. Nice, dude.
You blew him up on the picture.
Yeah, exactly. I saw your rod bend. I was like, that's bigger. Come on, man. You did it.
The largemouth.
Did you see him? And he was like bigger.
Yeah.
2 seconds later, first bluegill on the ice.
It's a giant.
That's bigger than the ones I've been catching today.
No, it's not.
Dude, you just caught your first largemouth and your first bluegill. How do you feel?
Dude, this would be good bait. Got the blue, got the, and I got the crappie the other day at your other pond.
Yep.
So I've caught all the little warm water.
Checking off the boxes. Oh, he's going to go for the bait. Yeah.
Bass?
Big old bluegill. Look at that chunk, dude. Just absolute unit. Holy crap.
Definitely the biggest of all day.
All day.
Well, my
Huge
theory is
mouth.
wrong. Crappie.
I mean, when you see a mouth this big open compared to the bluegill, it's like, woohoo. They got little plastic mouths.
Yeah, paper thin, huh? I put it right on his face and I thought he bit it. Don't look. It's
What?
a tank.
You got that one without looking?
Don't look it.
I don't believe it.
I didn't look. It was a secret. Dude, this guy is...
That's actually that's one of the better ones.
That's not one of the better ones.
From today?
Maybe.
Yeah. All right, Brad and I did okay at this pond. We caught some bluegill and some crappie, and he caught a bass. But we're gonna try to go to this other pond for some perch just before sunset. See how we do. Yep, right at the bottom. I couldn't really even mark them. You wanna try this hole? You sure? All right. What's up, bud? Woo! Hey, bud. This is the first place I saw a coyote on the ice. Hey, bud. Oh, there's two.
3 of them.
Wow.
That's a bigger one.
Cute. Oh, he's peeing, look. All right, so what was the tally today? One bass, what, 2 or 3 crappie?
I never caught a crappie. I caught probably 3 bluegill and a bass.
We probably caught, I don't know, 8 or so bluegill together, a bass. I caught 1 perch. I think that's it.